now we're gonna be getting rid of those yellow lights, and we're gonna be swapping them out for LEDs. We're gonna try to do one side at a time. That way you guys can really tell the difference. Let's get to it.
Okay, so that's your low beam. This is your high beam.
It don't work.
You're gonna twist this to the side. You're gonna pull straight up. And you got your connector. There you go. One bulb.
So this vehicle has independent bulbs for the high beam and the low beam. So these bulbs are the brand's Cougar, got it off Amazon. They, from my experience, they work pretty well.
Would highly suggest.
That's the connector for it, and that's how we're going to ensure that this is the high beam. Braden, you want to plug that in? I'll work on the other side. He has better hands for video quality, video purposes. That's why I hired him. He uses a lot of lube.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Are you gonna plug them in, or are you actually just show them like right here?
Oh, no. We're going to show them here, and we're going to show them the right side.
Then what you do is you find the holes, or you find these little tabs
bulb, and
On
then
the
right
side
all
of
LED.
the housing.
Make them come in.
and you push it in and you twist it back.
Okay, the low beam is right next to it somewhere. Oh, it's behind this white cover.
So we turned it all the way, and then all you do is you take a screwdriver or something and pop that little cover off. And then you turn the headlight over just like the high beam did.
Please match plug polarity. So what you want to do is guess the polarity. 50-50 shot. Either you're right or you're wrong. Here's the new one again. There you go, Braden. You're making this awkward, Braden.
I'm gonna guess that. I could be wrong.
Did you bring your water?
Oh, no, that's not right.
Dude, I'm excited for these. I think these are gonna be bright as shit.
And what you want to do is tuck that down in the housing so it's out of the way.
Right around my fog lights on all the time.
And put that back and then twist it.
Diodes only work one way. They only flow amperage one way through the diode. The connector only goes in. This one didn't specify really. You can plug it in whichever way. So you got to kind of try one way, and then before you put everything back together, just turn on your lights, make sure they work. If they don't, just try reversing it and plugging it back in.
So as you can see, you have your LED light for your low beam. And if you come over here, you can see your factory halogen. It's a lot less bright, it doesn't project as well. And if you look at the high beam, you can see the difference between those two.
And then last of all, we're gonna swap the fog lights out and then get you a final comparison, right to left, LED versus filament bulbs. Yes, yeah, filament bulbs. Those are the ones with the little actual filament on the inside. Yeah, they're called filament bulbs.
Fuck, they are cheap.
Oh wow. Sorry. So we're gonna give you a final comparison between the filament bulbs and the LED bulbs in a minute here. Last thing we gotta do is swap the fog lights out, and we'll let you know. Somebody point me to the fog light from the. Oh, I was way off.
It's that right there.
So turns out that the light bulbs for the fog lights that Amazon sent me are wrong. If you give me the camera, I'll get a quick shot of just the difference in connectors. There we go. Okay, so the green one is the pigtail from the car, and then this is actually the bulb, and that connector definitely does not fit. So I'm gonna have to get other ones. All right, so it was kind of a fail. Basically, the fog light bulb that we got is wrong. We will assemble everything together. We have a clip from earlier with the left versus right, and then in a minute here we're gonna swap everything on that side and show you the finished product for now. So this is the almost finished final product, so not the final product. We got those two light bulbs replaced on both sides. And then if you want to know the reason I replaced them, here it is. You can see the yellow. It just kind of throws everything off. I don't like it. It's not as bright. So when we get those in, we might make another video of just replacing those, or I don't know. Stay tuned if you're interested. I do recommend these light bulbs from Cougar. They've done me good. They're pretty easy to install. They don't have ballast. You don't got to worry about multiple components. No wiring. It's just plug and play, unless you get the wrong ones. Then they don't plug in. Then you don't play or plug in. So yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and konnichiwa. Is that hi or bye?
That's hello.
Huh?
That's hello.
That's what. Hello. Auf Wiedersehen. Tschüss.